What's up, y'all? It's your girl Galina Medeli, and I am just checking in, reminding you that the giveaway is still going. Do not forget that the giveaway is still going. We are not picking no one until May 20th, so you have time. Go literally follow 3 steps. All you have to do is follow my Twitter or Instagram, whichever account you have, at Galina Medeli, and then all you have to do is come back to the video link in the description box and hashtag giveaway. It's just that easy to join. Guys, we have these flat irons, extra flat irons, and more flat irons. Join that giveaway to get a free flat iron. Okay? That's all I'm saying. Don't forget, you have until May 20th. Galina Medeli. He like that. Like YouTube, it's your girl Galina Medeli, and I am back with another video. And this time it's an unboxing. Well, I already did an unboxing, but this time this one is for Boxy charm. I've been trying to be on the road as much as I can with being consistent, so that's what I pretty much been doing. Yeah, as you read in the title, this is going to be a the April, I believe, Boxy charm review. I have had this box for a while. I just haven't done nothing with it. It is now May 3rd. So yeah, I had this box for quite some time. I'm really starting to get back into makeup, so I'm like, let me just go ahead and do a couple subscriptions, which I did Ipsy and Boxy charm, and soon I will have a video comparing the two. But I'm like, let me just go ahead and you know, do a Boxy charm review. I feel like it would be great. I'm so excited about this because I'm just now getting back into makeup since high school. Yo, she screams to the top of her lungs. Like I was saying, and it's a Boxy charm that I'm very excited about. Makeup, and y'all, it is amazing, okay? Getting all of this stuff that you know would be worth at least $200 or over $150 in the box for $25. Like, I feel like no one could beat that. I thought this box would come in another box, but this is the mail box, like the mail aspect of the box. So it's amazing. So like I said, let's just get into this video. When I open the box, y'all, it just comes just like this. I didn't have like a paper or nothing over it. You know, people be having guides to what their Boxy charm says. Personally, I don't. So I'm kind of just gonna look up everything to try to see the prices and stuff, and hopefully it works. We don't know yet. So when you open the box, it looks like this, real sleek and cute. The first thing I got is this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and it is a really good mask, guys. I actually used one. It came with 2. I used one already, and y'all, it is magnificent. I did have this box since May 3rd. Well, actually, I got it in April, the end of April. I had it since May 3rd. So this was the first thing I got. One of the second things that came in the box are these Luxie brushes, which is amazing, y'all. I needed like some little shadow brushes and stuff, eye brushes, and I got some. Amazing, y'all. I got this in my box. All of this in my box for $25. I'm not sure the price that they retail out of, but it comes with like an angle brush, eyeshadow brush, a blending brush, you know, and things of that sort. Let me flip it so you guys can see it. So these are the brushes. So freaking cute. The next thing I got was this QMS intensive eye stuff. I've been using it for my bags, and y'all, this retail at $155, and I'm a bad bitch. Okay, so I'm so excited about that. This is really good. It makes my everything around my eyes tingle. So I don't know if that's normal. Definitely feel like Botox on the face, but I'm cool with that. So this is really good stuff. Really good stuff. The next thing I got is this THSES. I believe it's called THSES. Yeah, it's this THSES lip gloss in the color Strike Gold. I have some more right now. It's just some shimmering lip gold. So let me show y'all this.
It's like lip gloss. Yeah, some more on. Yeah, real cute.
So that's that. And the last thing that I got is this Ace of Butte eyeshadow palette. They packaged it really good so it won't break. And it's really super cute. It looks like a little fancy chocolate board. When you open it, it comes with like vibrant colors. Vibrant colors, they're amazing at that. Very, very vibrant and cute colors. They have the colors of the name. So I can actually tell y'all the names of these colors when I'm doing my makeup. And yeah, they're so cute. I'm not sure if they're pigmented and stuff yet, but they're the bomb. So this is the last thing that they sent me in my box. Y'all, BoxyCharm is super worth it. $25, $27 a month with over $200 worth of stuff. You cannot beat that, girl. You can't beat that. I don't want to hear nothing about I could go to. No, you can't. You cannot beat that. So I will put my link in the description box so you guys can sign up for BoxyCharm. Even if you don't get it today, definitely look into it, especially if you are just getting back into makeup. I feel like it's a great subscription to have. So y'all, I think that's really gonna complete this video. Like, comment, subscribe. He like that.